Hello guys, welcome as we do the question before us. And the question states, given area of triangle is equals to 12 centimeters squared, perimeter of rectangle is 22 centimeter. Find the least value of x. And so guys, we have a question to answer. And we are given that the area of the triangle is 12. Guys, let me put this area of the triangle. I give this base the value of a or b, and the same I can give the height of the triangle a value which is the same as the width of the triangle. But guys, those values can still interchange. So I will say this. The area of the triangle will be a half, put a half AB, whereby guys, either of these values can be height or they can be the base. And guys, this now comes to 12. Coming now to perimeter of the rectangle, guys, we are going to have 2a, because remember, if you have a here, you shall have a plus a, which is 2a, and if you have b here, you shall have b plus b, which is 2b. Guys, now this comes to 22. And so guys, we have a simultaneous equation to solve. So I will now put make b the subject of the formula of this, that is of this formula. This comes to b is equals now to 24 all over a. Then I come to this other formula, I make this replacement. That is, we are solving this simultaneous equation by substitution. And so I will write 2a plus 2. Instead of writing b, I write 24 all over a. And here we have times. This is now comes to 22. And now we can come and evaluate this. This comes to 2a plus 48 all over a equals to 22. Now I can multiply both sides by a, and by doing that, I'll have 2a squared plus 48. This now comes to 22a. So guys, I am multiplying by a every term. And now this now forms a quadratic equation, of which I can write here 2a squared now minus 22a plus 48. Guys, now we come to solve this quadratic equation. Guys, now we look for the factors, whereby, guys, for two numbers, if you multiply, you get 48. If you add, you get negative 22. Guys, those numbers are 16 and 6. And so I'll have 2a squared minus 16a minus 6a plus 48 equals to 0. And so my factors will be, I can now put into bracket on this 2 and also these 2. This equation now comes to this, and as you can see, I've changed this sign because of this bracket and this negative. Guys, now I can come and factor out 2 here, and so I will be left with, that is 2a, I will be left with a minus 8 minus, I factor out this, I can factor out 6, and so I will be left with a minus 8. This is equals to 0. And therefore, guys, we shall have our factors as a minus 8, a 2a minus 6. Guys, these are our factors. And therefore, we shall have our solution here as a equals to 8. And on this other side, we shall have 2a equals to 6. And therefore, a is equals to 3. Guys, now going back to our equation where we have b equals to 24 over a, and that's what we are going to replace with here. That is 24 over a is equals to b. And so therefore, this will give us 24 over 8 equals to 3. And on this other side, we shall have 24 over 3. Guys, this comes now to 8. So guys, you can see what we have. And now we want to look for the least value. Guys, now to have the least value of x, I have chosen the base to be the longest. That is, I put base to be 8 and the height to be 3. Because guys, if I put 3 here, then this is now going to have a higher height, and therefore the horizontal will be large compared with now. And so therefore, guys, I have chosen 8 to be here instead of 3 to be here. And now coming to find the x, we just divide this one by 2. And guys, now we shall have here as 4. From here to here is 4. And here, guys, is going to be 3. And so therefore, guys, our x, guys, is going to be 5. And that one can be found by using Pythagoras theorem. And so, guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye.